Hello semua, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a full day of meals made with, well, pretty much nothing left in the fridge. We were leaving for a 4-day trip to London, so it made no sense to do groceries. Instead, I got creative and made tasty, balanced meals with what I already had at home. My day started super early at 6 a.m. with a CrossFit session. I never eat before training, it's too early, and I honestly can't stomach food that early. It was still dark outside, and my husband came along too, so it's always better with a partner in crime at that hour. By 8, I was home, showered, and did my little morning skincare. And around 8:30 I started prepping breakfast while already working, of course, remote life. I decided to batch a pancake recipe I could also bring with me on the trip, with some mashed banana, egg, wholemeal flour, cacao. A recipe super simple. And to go with it, I made a watermelon matcha. Yes, it sounds strange, but it's actually really refreshing. I topped mine with strawberry jam, watermelon cubes, and a mix of seeds. Not even 10 a.m. and I already had over 2 liters of water, so it's your daily reminder to stay hydrated. One thing I love about working from home is that I can take advantage of my lunch break to get a few things done around the house. I quickly cleaned the kitchen, loaded the dishwasher, made the bed, and even managed to put on a load of laundry. It's not always glamorous, but it feels so good to stay on top of things, especially before a trip. For lunch, I based everything on some leftover cooked cabbage and rice. I reheated them and added 2 fried eggs, grated a carrot, and finished with sriracha as always and crispy onions. Nothing fancy, but honestly delicious and satisfying. In the afternoon, snack time, I made a warm porridge with oats cooked in water with some cinnamon and chopped peach. For a protein boost, I stirred in some egg whites while cooking and topped it with tahini and more mixed seeds. Budget friendly, filling, and made entirely with pantry staples. After work, we went to the hospital to donate blood. I've been a donor for over 10 years already, and my husband is getting into the habit. It was his third time, and he is getting more and more comfortable with it. It's such a simple way to help and always feels meaningful.
Eu aqui sou muito bem tratado.
Pois estás. For dinner, I used the last bits of everything, cooked some orzo pasta, then in another pan sauteed garlic with the rest of the greens and carrots. And for the sauce, I mixed a triangle cheese with a bit of pesto, grilled halloumi on the side because cheese is life, and then topped everything with the spicy sauce, like always, and also some chopped walnuts for crunch. It was delicious, satisfying, and zero waste. So if you are ever in a nothing in the fridge mood, don't panic. You might be surprised at how many delicious things you can still wipe up with just a little creativity and a few leftover. I always end the day with a piece of dark chocolate, non-negotiable. Tell me in the comment if you enjoyed this video, and we see you on the next video to share with you our London trip. Thank you for watching and see you next week. Ciao, ciao!